Hello students, welcome to Vipin Sharma Physics channel. Dear students, I'm going to upload some unplugged lectures exclusively on some topics which plays a very vital role in understanding physics. So dear students, these lectures will be of long duration and you have to learn it with patience. Of course, these lectures are connected with the contents of the syllabus, but these lectures will be like such kind of lectures which will make you to get connected well with the current topics of your syllabus. So थोड़ा वीडियो लेंथी होगा, but you have to learn with patience. There is no shortcut for knowledge. Thank you.